Welcome to Beerstories for Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is a video where I compare how much oxidized the beer is compared to kegs, compared to bottles that have been treated differently. So this beer is straight out of my keezer from my keg. This beer was capped on foam. This was also capped on foam, but with oxygen scrubbing caps. This one wasn't capped on foam. The foam was just up to here, and then I capped it. And this is a pretty huge IPA I brewed a couple of months back. The one from keg is still fresh. It's really hoppy. It's hop saturated. Tropical, yeah. It's just a great beer. It's about 20 grams per liter in the dry hop in this, so yeah, it's really a hop saturated beer. You can see the color; it's not the same. So I already know this is oxidized. I can smell that it's oxidized. It has this, yeah. It doesn't really smell like hops anymore. It smells like old beer. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste like a hop saturated beer. There's not really much hop left. It's just that old stale hop flavor. These weren't. I just stored them at room temperature for 2 months, and this one obvious was in my keezer. These are almost the same. Maybe the one I capped with oxygen scrubbing caps is a little bit better. Nah, I don't know. If you forced me, I could drink these, but I wouldn't enjoy it. They are stale. There are not any hop flavors left, but they haven't turned bad. I can see the color on this one is it's a bit darker. This has a sharp, sweet caramel note to it. This is really bad. Overly sweet and just it's kind of a overly sweet caramel or overly ripe fruit and it's also more boozy or sharp. It's a sharp caramel flavor. This one tastes great. So what I hoped to see in this experiment was that these were good and that one was bad. This is bad. These are not good. They aren't as bad as this one, but I wouldn't drink these. They are stale. The hops are gone. This one, it almost makes me sick to drink it. So it's way worse. But so the one thing here is it's really important to cap on foam. That makes a huge difference. I can say that in confidence because these are better. But hoppy beers belong in the fridge. This one has been in the keg and in the fridge for 2 months, just as long as these has been standing out, and this one is still great. I use the new O-ring from Kickline, the yellow one, that doesn't allow that much air going through it, or oxygen. So I recommend that as well. But other than that, well, keep your beers in the fridge if they are hop forward beers. Well, any beers, because this amount of oxygen in a beer is not good for any beer. So unless you want a slow oxidation in big dark beers or big triples, store in the fridge is, it's really important. I guess that was it. If you have any questions, write to me. Other than that, just have a happy brewing out there.